So, welcome to my channel, and if you click it on this video, probably because you are having some troubleshooting problems on Reaper, and you can hear the sound of your instrument. So here I'm gonna use as example my electric guitar. I don't know, you probably can hear a little bit. Uh, you won't be able to hear it when I plug it into Reaper, but that's not the matter of the that's not the point of the video. So if you are playing your instrument or your voice and you can hear your feedback, it's probably because one of these things I'm gonna say right now, and I'm gonna try to explain as simple and as fast as I can. So supposing you have already created your track and your record is armed right here, uh, and you can hear your instrument. So the first thing you gotta check is on your computer settings. You're gonna open it and click on sound, and the first thing you gotta be sure it's not happening is for example, my interface is these headphones right here, HT2. So if I select as a sound system, it will how can I explain it? If you're trying to use it on Reaper and on your computer both at the same time, it won't work. So basically, just don't use your interface as output or input. Use, if you have more than one, it's probably you probably have like your computer um, microphone. I forgot the name, but just don't check neither on inputs or outputs, and that's the first thing you gotta be sure. And after you do this, if you still can't hear your instrument, you're gonna select Ctrl and P on your keyboard, or click on Options and Preferences on Reaper. Be sure you select ASIO and ASIO for all v2 on ASIO driver. Select your interface on the inputs, click on Enable Inputs. It's very important, this little box here you have a check-in. And on the if for example you can't hear your guitar, but right here on the left you can hear, like you can see a little green bar coming up and down, it's because your output isn't selected. So try to click here and figure out your computer output. In my case, I'm using the first and the second entrance, so go trying out. For example, click on 1 and then 2, and if it doesn't work, try 3 and then click 4, and you go testing it until it works. That's basically all I can teach you. And another thing you can do is click on ASIO configuration right here, and you're gonna see all of your computer inputs and outputs. So be sure that you turned on only two, the input and the output. So I want my sound to my input to be my interface, and I want to hear my sound through my headphones. So this is my interface, so I turn it on and click on more right here. Be sure that these other two things are turned on too, and my output will be my headphone, which is this one here. So be sure that at least, for example, audio output, this one is other output, so there isn't any output checked out. There is this input here. I could check it out, turn it out, I mean turn it off, sorry, but I won't because it isn't bothering me. So be sure that this, all I said is what is going on your computer. After that you click on OK, and you should hear your guitar like mine. Here you can see the little bar I set to you. You can hear it because unfortunately I couldn't record the Reaper sound, but if you look, you see the here this orange and this little green bar, and you can, if you see this and you can hear your instrument, try to go to preferences and change your output mainly. And if you see the green bar and you can hear your instrument, great. And if you don't can hear your instrument, do the first step as I said, go to configurations, sound, and turn off all your interfaces you're gonna use as the input and the output. So that's basically it. If you have any doubt or you couldn't understand the video, please let me know in the comments, and that's it.